Welcome to the Co.lab platform, version 1. This is the first release, our pilot product to showcase, test and improve our baseline features. We want to continue co-creating with mental health support teams and senior mental health leaders, so we actively invite your compliments, your criticisms and your ideas to further develop the platform. This demo will run through features for both of you to show you how using the platform can support your complementary roles and responsibilities. The senior mental health leader will see our audit tool when they first log in. The questions are designed to help them to reflect on the 8 principles outlined in Public Health England's whole school approach to mental health and wellbeing. The audit is digitised and currently uses an 8-point scale to understand efforts in each area, ensuring the school feels supported and enhancing the idea that the whole school approach is a journey with continued effort and positive results, not a target to achieve. The whole school approach star chart is a great way to showcase the audit results. Future functionality will include auto-suggestions to help senior mental health leaders on their whole school approach journey. And over time, this star chart will change to reflect your efforts. For now, the system is manual, so you can go to the left menu to explore tasks, workshops, or project themes and select the areas that the spider has suggested from this right-hand menu. My star shows that leadership is the place to start for us. Imagine as an MHST logging in to see an overview of your school's audit reflections, including their action plan to tackle their biggest challenges, giving you the insight that you need to support an authentic whole school approach journey. So let's explore the leadership principle. We have tasks that cover revisiting policy, creating a presentation for governors, and completing a resilience audit with the senior leadership team. Some tasks are simple, whilst others are more complex and include several subtasks. If we head over to the workshops area and click Leadership, we have simple workshops that schools can facilitate themselves, like exploring the ladder of participation, and more advanced clinical trainings for groups that are intended to be delivered by practitioners. For example, social and emotional wellbeing for senior leadership team and governors. Imagine if schools could request CPD from your detailed training menu, whilst giving you an overview of the much wider plan to support these sessions as a whole school, from policy to group reflection in staff meetings. Our current workshops are designed by Head Start whole school approach experts, NHS clinicians and specialist organisations. You can add your own workshops too. They will save in a private workspace. Click Create Workshop. Add your own title. Add a short description in the About section, and then come down to tabs and add facilitation notes. Co.lab will host your presentation and resources. You can find your uploaded whole school approach trainings here, in My Workshops, or explore all user workshops. The project themes are ready-made action plans. They contain multiple tasks and workshops with a similar focus. Sometimes they zoom in on one principle, like this curriculum teaching and learning project theme, whilst others cover several of the 8 principles. For example, building resilience. This resilience project theme was designed by Head Start's resilience training lead, Becky Dawson, who has embedded a whole school approach across around 60 schools using the Boing Boing resilience framework. We have adapted this framework and applied it against the 8 principles. We encourage mental health support teams to add their own project themes that focus on their specialism or passion. So maybe that's LGBTQ+, racism or equalities, or mindfulness, focusing not only on targeted interventions, but other areas that schools need to consider for successful implementation, like policy language and communication of new mental health plans to staff, pupils and parents. This next phase for Co.lab looks to solve any gaps or challenges on the platform, smoothing out your experience. We look forward to hearing from you and thank you so much for your attention.